Good morning, friends. In this session, we discuss the longitudes and time zones. We know a longitude is a semicircle that joins the North Pole and the South Pole, and we have 360 longitudes. If we consider one longitude for 1 degree, the Earth has to rotate 360 degrees in 24 hours time. We know that the circumference at its maximum is 40,075 kilometers, and it has to rotate itself in 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Thus, the average speed of the Earth of its rotation is 1,670 kilometers per hour an average. And let us see how much distance the Earth covers in 1 hour. There are 24 hours in a day, and it has to cover 360 degrees. And when 360 degrees divided by 24 hours, we get 15 degrees. So the Earth covers 15 degrees in 1 hour. And let us calculate the time taken for covering 1 degree of the longitude. There are 24 hours, and in minutes it is 24 into 60 minutes, and 360 degrees are to be covered in 24 hours into 60 minutes. So it takes 4 minutes to cover each degree. So let us see the time of the different time zones on the Earth basing on these calculations. Let us consider this line as 0 degree longitude or Greenwich longitude. So it is 0 degrees, and let us consider that it is 12 noon on 1st September. 12 noon on 1st September. This time is known as GMT, that is Greenwich Mean Time. So at 30 degrees, it is 2 p.m. and at 60 degrees it is 4 p.m. and at 90 degrees longitude it is 6 p.m. India takes 82.5 degrees longitude as its standard time, and it is 5:30 in India, 5:30 p.m. in India. We know that Indian Standard Time (IST) is 5 hours 30 minutes before the Greenwich Mean Time. So all these regions that are east to the Greenwich Mean Time are mostly Asian and African countries, and all the regions that are west to the Greenwich Mean Time are American countries, North America and South America. So it is 8 a.m. at 60 degrees, that is behind the Greenwich Mean Time, and 6 a.m. at 90 degrees. Most of the regions in USA and South Africa fall under this region. Now see, interestingly, it is 12 midnight at 180 degrees, that is at international dateline. Still they are in the month of August, 31st August. It is the date here is 31st August. If a person stands just to the east of the Greenwich international dateline, he is in the month of September, and if a person stands just behind the international dateline, he is still in the month of August. So this is all about the longitudes and time zones, friends. Have a nice day. If you enjoy this video, like it, share it, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.